28 and this is on page 354 and this is of chapter number 16, sound waves. So in this question one figure is given and you can see from the book also that this is the source and this is the detector. This is the source and this is the detector and this is the screen in front of this source and detector, and the distance between source and the screen is given, that is under root 2d, and the distance between source and detector directly it is at a distance d. So now one wave from the sound source will reach directly on the detector and the another one will reach after the reflection from the screen. First it will go on the screen, then after reflection it will come at the detector. So what can be the part difference? What can be the part difference between this first condition? The first, in this first condition the part difference will be, you can see here, if we draw a perpendicular from this point to on this line, so this will be d by 2 and this is also d by 2. Okay, and suppose this point is p. So what is the part difference? Initially delta x will be equal to sp plus pd minus sd. sp plus pd minus sd. According to Pythagoras principle, this sp and pd will be equal to square root of d by 2 whole square plus square root of 2d whole square. Okay, and both are just equal to each other, sp equal to pd. So now here we can write 2 into square root of d square by 4 plus 2d square minus sd, that is small d. So this will come 2 and this is of equal to 9d square by 4 and minus of d, or it is 2 into 3d by 2, because the square root of 9d square by 4 will be equal to 3d by 2 minus d. So 2 will be cancelled and 3d minus d will be equal to 2d. So this is the first case, and according to this the wave coming from this source directly on the detector and the coming after the reflection from this screen are in same phase. But in the second case he is saying, now if we are shifting this screen from this place to another place just in the right side, and suppose if we are displacing it by distance x, so now the reflected wave and the wave coming directly from the source at this point of detector just should be out of phase. So for this condition we have to find what is the this particular distance x. So whenever it will be out of phase, you can see light will just incident on the screen and coming back. So there will be a phase difference of 180 degree. So what will be the part difference? That will be lambda by 2. That will be lambda by 2 out of phase. For the out of phase it will be lambda by 2. So we can write in the second case, delta x dash. Now it will be, this will be under root 2d plus x. So this will be d by 2 whole square, d by 2 whole square plus root 2d plus x whole square. Okay, so now delta x dash will be equal to 2 into this is of d square by 4 plus square root of 2d plus x whole square minus d. Is it clear to all of you? This is of d by 2, this is of root 2d plus x. So according to Pythagoras principle, this particular point, suppose this is now p dash, so sp dash will be equal to d by 2 whole square plus root 2d plus x whole square. Okay, and this will be equal to this also. So now the part difference will be like this, and according to the condition given in this question, now this will be out of phase from this. So we can write this delta x dash will be equal to this 2d plus lambda by 2, 2d plus lambda by 2, or lambda it is given. lambda, that is d by 2. So now it will be 2d plus d by 4. 2d plus d by 4. So we will place the value of delta x dash this here. So this will be 2 into d square by 4 plus root 2d plus x square and minus d. So this will be equal to 2 into square root of d square by 4 plus square root of 2 d plus x whole square, and this d will become this side. This will be 3d plus d by 4, 3d plus d by 4, or it will be 13d by 4, 13d by 4, and then this 2 will come just in the below here. So this will be 13d by 8. So now if we are squaring from both sides, so this will be d square by 4 plus square root of 2d plus x whole square, and square of this will be 169 d square by 64, or it is equal to root 2d plus x whole square will be equal to 169 d square by 64 minus d square by 4 from this side. So this will be equal to, we can write here, this will be root 2d plus x whole square will be equal to
169 minus 16.
that will be equal to, I think, just to calculate,
64.
this will be, suppose I am taking d square by 4 as a common, so this will be equal to 169 upon 16 or minus 1. Is it correct? D square by 4 as a common, so this will be d square by 16 minus 1, or it is d square by 4 and 169 minus 16, 153 upon 16. Okay, so this will be equal to 153 d square upon 64. Okay, so from this you have to calculate by yourself what will be the value of x coming. Okay, and I think the answer should come, it is equal to, I think, 0.13b according to the answer key given in this book. That should be, I think, yes, it is 0.13b. Just you have to check by yourself. Now, is it okay? Anything you want to ask?